Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining. Today we're going to do some pork belly burn-ins. Man, if you like bacon and you like what's called pig candy, you're going to love this video. And I'm firing up my Weber Smoky Mountain. Seems like it's been 6 or 8 months since I used that Weber Smoky Mountain. So I got to show her a little bit of love, getting her fired up right now. We're going to be cooking around 275 Fahrenheit with some pecan wood and some cherry wood. Cherry wood is going to give you a nice mahogany color on any meat that you cook. I want that pork belly burn-ins to look really, really nice. And a bunch of you were asking on the last video, had a bunch of comments, do I still have my Lone Star grill? I do, and I'll be cooking on it very soon. Look, see, it's right there. There it is. It's just, I just moved it. There's my grubbin. There is my Lone Star grill. I just moved it so that it's facing the pool that's over that way. And you can see the Weber Smoky Mountain. She's about 225 or so, coming up to temp. We need to get that pork belly burn-in stuff ready. Let's go slice up the pork belly and get it seasoned up. Stay tuned.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Alright, I got me about a 5-pound, slightly over 5-pound pork belly. And for pork belly burn-ins, you want to make sure you get it without the skin. I mean, the skin's been cut off of this. Alright? And it doesn't really matter which way you start because you're going to cube this up. Sorry, I got a little split happening right there. Let's just go ahead and do that. You want to cut them about 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches, because they will shrink a little bit. Just slice all this up about the same. There we go. Alright, once you have them all cut into lengths, now what you want to do is cube them up. You know, so this is that wide. You want to do about the same to make a even cube. Alright, so let me get all these cubed up and we'll meet you right back. And once you have them all cubed up like this, you need something to help that, you need some kind of binder basically to help the rub stick. So I'm just going to spray these with a little bit of oil right here. Try to put a little bit of rub on that side while I got that side up. I decided to go with this Smoked Midwest. This is a sweet heat rub that he makes. Really good stuff. Now what you want to do is put your binder on all sides, put your rub on all sides, and coat it up real good. And then we're going to toss these into a tray and put them on the smoker. So let me get these rubbed down real good. We'll meet you right back. And once you have them all seasoned up, put them on your nice tray or some kind of cookie cooling rack or something. Even though it's got some oil on these, I like to go ahead and just spray my pan anyway. And space them out so that they can get some smoke between them. I found that putting 4 of these on each row works out perfect for me. So, this 5 pounds took 2 of these racks like this. There we go. I guess I got a few more on this one than the other one. And if you see any bald spots like that, use this rub that's on your cutting board. Cover that up. No big deal. There we go. Alright, let's load up the Weber Smoky Mountain. Alright, I do have the water pan in there. I'm just going to lay that rack in there. Load up the first tray. Put the second tray back on there. Now we got 2 layers that fit perfect. How about that? Put the lid back on. Adjust the temps so we maintain about 275 by, I think right now I got my vents halfway open on the bottom, so we'll start fine tuning it. Oh, and I'm going to throw some cherry wood chips in here as well. Again, give it a little cherry smoke, a little bit of cherry color. It's been 3 hours now. Let's go ahead and check on this. Oh yeah, let's see how they feel. Oh, check out that gelatinous goodness right there. Woo! Doggy, those are soft, man. Those are really soft. Alright, now what I want to do, I'm going to take these, I'm going to transfer them into one of these aluminum pans here, and then we'll start adding some really good stuff to it. There you go. I've got all the pork belly in here from both the upper and lower grates. They fit in there pretty nice. Now let's add some good stuff to it. I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid. I got some just plain apple juice here. Put a little bit of that on there. Got my good friend Harry Sue, Pitmaster Harry Sue. Slap Yo Daddy Barbecue. Y'all go check him out, man. This is some really good barbecue sauce, and he's got some great rubs too. I'm just gonna pour some of this barbecue sauce all over this. Oh man, that's some good stuff right there. This bottle about empty. I might as well go ahead and empty it. Got some local honey here. It's going to add a little bit of sweetness. Put a little bit of honey up in there. We got more sweetness with some brown sugar. You want your pork to be sweet. It's going to be some good stuff. I'm hoping some of that heat from this smoked Midwest will come through. I'm going to add a little bit of that more here in just a second. Oh yeah. You want these to be succulent, man. You want these to be really good, really tasty. About out of that too. Let's go ahead and just dump the rest of that in there. It's all going to melt and get mixed in together anyway. Y'all know I like my Texas rib candy. This is the mango habanero from Texas Pepper Jelly. Folks, I'll put links down below because I know some of y'all not familiar with all the stuff I use. So if you're interested, just check it out down below. Just hit show more. This is some good stuff right here. In fact, I'm about out. I might as well go ahead and finish this off too. There you go. I need to order me some more of that too. Love the flavor of that stuff. It's got some habanero in it, but it's actually, the sweet balances it very nicely. It's not super hot. But they make a non-hot version if you're interested. Now let's go back on with some of this smoked Midwest. The sweet heat rub, baby. I got about a half stick of butter here, about 4 tablespoons or so. There you go. Alright. Now I got everything added that I think I wanted to add. Alright, we're going to cover back up. Again, meet y'all back here in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Look, folks, I planned this out just right. See, I have my 225. My vents on the bottom are wide open. Top vents wide open. I put about 3/4 of a bag, like a 18-pound bag, charcoal in there. And I knew I was going to be less than 6-hour cook, so that's why I did that. But starting to run out of heat. So let's check on this. It's been going another 90 minutes or so, another hour and a half. Oh, y'all check that out. Oh, those look good. Heck yeah, man. That's what I'm saying. Alright, I'm just going to toss these up. You can already see this one's falling apart right here. Toss these babies around. Make sure my foil doesn't fly away. Anyway, stir these around a little bit, because now what we need to do, we need to give us a little bit of a, you know, kind of rebuild that bark on there. So, toss these babies around a little bit. And they are super tender. I can tell just by the feel from this this spoon I'm using right here. Man, these babies are tender. All right, let's let a little bit of a bark set up on the top side here, and let those go about another maybe 15-20 minutes or so until they start looking right, and we'll take them out of there and we'll give it a taste. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Let's see what we got. I think those are looking really nice. Real nice. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these off, and I'm going to let them cool off for about a good 10-15 minutes. I'm going to taste one. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Don't that look pretty? Alright, we're fixing to give us a little taste of this. Boy, I'll tell you what. I think I want this one right here in the front. Oh yeah, baby, that's mine. Time for the taste test. Let's give it a shot. Oh man. Fifi, that's good. Fifi right there, y'all. My gosh. Folks, if you love bacon, you got to try you some pork belly burnt-ends. These are just so tender and juicy. And when you get a pork belly, it's like 50-50 mix of meat to fat. So you got a lot of fat in there. It's really rich. But man, I'll tell you what, this is fabulous eating right here. It's nice for a little hors d'oeuvre or something, you know, for let's say for some kind of a party or something, or maybe a sports party, you know, if you got some friends coming over, or if you're cooking like a long cook, like a pork butt or a brisket, do you some pork belly burnt-ends, folks. Trust me, your fans, your friends that are over, your family members, they'll love it. I hope y'all give this a try. Leave me some comments down below if you do. Give me a thumbs up. Hope you share the video. When you do, please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. We'll see y'all next time. Beefy, that's good.